Interrupt this social media browsing to bring you a very important message from
Space Force!
Ladies and gentlemen of Earth, creatures of all planets, we present the mighty Commodore of the Terrestrial International Space Force.
My fellow Earthlings and neighbors in our galactic alliance, I'm here today to discuss a very disturbing trend: the growing lack of civility in the galaxy. A few decades ago, when Space Force was working to unite the planet, we did it civilly. I was just a young cadet back then, but I know we acted civilly. How do I know? Just check any historical digifile. They refer to the firm union of our planets as the Civil War. What more proof do you need? But now, there are some entities who disagree with our policies on interplanetary slave trading. Big deal. Or the imprisoning of alien species without a trial. Who cares? Or fracking on Mars. Give me a break. Now I can't even visit Uranus to get a bite to eat. I was run out of a restaurant by angry gaseous clouds. And it's not just me. Space Force High Command and members of the Great Council are being run out of restaurants and public spaces on subjugated planets throughout the galaxy. If our neighbors in space can't learn to be civil about our disagreements, then we will be left with no choice but to teach them the proper way to treat Earthlings. And to drive this point home, the next place that gives me a hard time when I order a sandwich will be bombed back into the Stone Age. Be kind to one another. Or else.